Fire truck operation demonstration. Open the suction port cover. Connect the suction pipe. Close the pump outlet. Close the tank outlet valve. Close the pump drain valve. Open the vacuum pump ball valve. Turn off PTO cooling
Outlet
switch. Close PTO cooling switch. Inlet open tank inlet valve. Close the pump outlet. Upper cap. Start the engine. Step down the clutch. Turn on the power takeoff switch. Easy clutch. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the vacuum pump switch. Exhaust the air in the pump. Observation level gauge. 0.9F. It means the water is full. Upper cap. Step on the clutch to close the power takeoff. Easy clutch. Turn off the vehicle engine. Close the tank inlet valve. Fire high pressure blister operation demonstration on cap. Start the engine. Step down the clutch. Turn on the power takeoff switch. Easy clutch. Open the tank outlet valve. Get on the roof and turn on the water outlet accelerator cannon. Make the pressure gauge reach 1.0. The tachometer reaches 30. The high pressure water cannon starts to produce water. There is also a pressure gauge on the high pressure blister. Open the pump drain valve after operation. Let the air into the pressure relief. You can remove the suction pipe now. Cover the suction port. Make sure it is tightened. Close the pump drain valve. Turn off the power switch. Fire spray gun operation demonstration. Connect the fire port adapter first, then connect the fire water bag. Then attach the spray gun. Open the pump outlet. Gun starts working. Operation completed. Open the drain valve. Drain tank ran water.